Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Android Help MERN web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the MongoDB. So then click the connect. Here you can see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the collections. Collections can have the data. For example, if you want to see the user details, click the user collection. Here you can see the user details. Next, go to the Visual Studio Code. Here you can open your project folder. Here we have two folders, backend and client. First export the backend. Backend can have the models and routers. So model is nothing but models can have the field names. For example, if you want to see the user field name, click the user model. Here you can see the user field names. Then explore the router. Here you can see the get port post source code. Then explore the client folder, src components. Here you can see the React.js components files. Once you click the file name, you can view the source code. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the steps for how to run the project, and then you can see the login details. So now open the new terminal. Here we have to run the backend and client. So first run the backend. So first go to the backend path. Now install the node models. So copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. So I have been already installed. Now I am run the backend. Copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the backend connection is ready. Next run the client. Copy the npm rundev command and paste to the terminal. Here you can see the project URL. Copy the URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. Here we have the chatbot. So click the chatbot icon. Here you can see the chat page. Here you can enter your bike or car related queries. The chatbot will give the suggestions. Here you can enter the emojis also. If you want to clear the chat history, click the clear button. Next we move for the models. Here we have three roles, user, admin and business. Let's start with the business. So business is a vendor. So before you log in the vendor, you have to register. Here you can enter all the fields for vendor registration. So if you already registered means you have to log in. So for vendor registration, first enter the name. So the password should be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. Now register successfully. So now I'm logging the vendor. So this is a business homepage. Here you can create the business details and then update the details and then view the user request and then you can view the user feedback. So first go to the create business. Here you can enter all the fields for add the services. So enter the business name, and then select the type, whether it is mechanic or towing, and then enter the name, services. Here you can choose the image. So once you fill all the fields, click the submit button. So what are the business details you have been created, you can view here. Here you can use in the search option. Here you can search any field wise, like business name wise or type wise, service wise. If you want to edit any details, you can edit here. And then click the geo map, it will update the current location. Then click the show map, here you can see the updated location. Next go to the service request. Here you can see the user's request, and then here you can update the status. Whether it is accepted, pending or rejected. And then click the show map, here you can see the user location. And then go to the view feedback, here you can see users feedback. So this is a business side. Next we move to the admin. So enter the admin email ID and password, then click the login button. So now login successfully. So this is admin homepage. Admin can view the business details and then give the approval. So once admin can give the approval, it will be shown in user side. Otherwise the business details will not display in user side. So admin can also see the user details. So first see business approval. So here you can update the status. If it is pending or rejected, means the details will not display in user side. Admin can also see the business location. Then go to the user details. Admin can see the user profile details, who are all registered in this app. So this is the admin side. So next move to the user. So here also before you log in the user, you have to register. So go to the register now. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. If you already registered, you have to log in. So enter the user email ID and password. Then click the login button. So this is a user homepage. User can find the services and then give the request and then view the my profile details. So first go to the find services. Here also you can using the search option and then filter the data like type wise. And then go to the request. Here you can give the request. Here you can enter your complaint and enter the mobile number. Once you fill, click the submit button. So once you do that, the request will be sent to the business side. And click the feedback. Here you can post your feedback. And then click the show map. Here you can see the business location. And then here you can make the WhatsApp chat also. If you want to get more information, click the more button. Here you can get the more information about the services. Next go to the my request. Here you can view your request details. And then after the business update the status, you can see the current status. Here you can click the geo map. Here you can update the location. And then click the show map. Here you can update you. Here you can see the updated location. Next go to the my profile. Here you can see the user profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. So here also we have the chatbot. So here also you have to enter your queries related to bike or car. So the chatbot will give the suggestions. So this is a user side. So this is a on-road help MERN web application.
Code shopping.